Hello everyone. Are you wondering what graysexual means? Let's explore. Graysexual is a term used to describe someone who experiences sexual attraction infrequently or only under specific circumstances. It exists on the spectrum between asexuality and more typical sexual orientations. Graysexual individuals might only feel sexual attraction occasionally or under certain conditions, making their experiences of desire more rare or selective. This identity helps articulate the experiences of those who don't fit neatly into the categories of asexual or sexual. In essence, graysexuality acknowledges the nuanced and often variable nature of sexual attraction, providing a term for those who experience it less frequently or in specific contexts. Please like the video and leave a comment to support my job. Thank you for watching and see you later. Goodbye.